up, my guy? You know.
Welcome back to Art by Jennifer. As you can see this week, I have a special guest with me.
I'm very special.
It's my little sister, Camille. So, shush. This week, we're going to be doing a funnel pour.
It's not funnel cake. It's paint. Don't eat it.
So, yeah, what she said. Anyhow, if you guys are interested in seeing how we managed to pull off this funnel pour together, stick around. Okay guys, so this week I'm going to be using my Arteza paints. I absolutely love Arteza paints. Don't know what it is about them, but right now that's what I'm on. So the colors that I'm going to be using this week with my lovely assistant will be Pthalo blue.
Thanos blue, y'all. Snap.
Silver.
Silver. What a A. What a A, y'all. What a A.
And Paynes gray.
Painful gray, because you don't get old, kids.
Help me, Jesus. We're going to get through this. Stick with us. Now we're going to get started with this week's pour. I'm going to set my funnel on this corner, and what we're going to try and do is go from here, sort of swiggly off to the side, and then we'll see what happens. Also, I did not include, I put a drop of silicone in each of these cups, so we'll see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna let her pour. Oh boy. I'm gonna put a little white right there just to make sure. All right, there. So we're pouring our first bit of, you can pour a little more, of Pthalo blue. Okay. And then our silver. That's good. And now we're topping it with some Paynes gray. That's good. And then we'll repeat. All right, guys, so we have successfully gotten it in here. Now let's see if we can get it out. So I'm gonna move it real slow. See if I can absorb that little dot that we made. Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? The cell production in here, guys, is super awesome. Holy crap. All right, Camille, so should we move it or should we leave it looking like this little weird snake that we got going on here?
I suggest we move it.
You suggest we move it? I think so too. So let's get rid of that for now and move it.
Oh my goodness, guys. So this week, this turned out, and it's a blue flame. That's what we're gonna call this one. First of all, it's got a name already. This is, bam, blue flame. Okay. The way that the colors came together, so I used the Arteza silver, and I thought that it would come through more with, I can't deal with her. I thought they would come through more with my Paynes gray and my Pthalo blue. However, it seems to have absorbed into the Paynes gray. So, lesson learned. I'm probably gonna torch it one more time just to see if I can get some more color to come up through it. But other than that, I think that this week's painting was a success, even with the help of my little sister. She's so wonderful. Anyhow, guys, those of you who just joined my channel, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to see more of my content without her, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys. Spirit changes, come on.
Bye guys.